So just take a moment. Close your eyes, and we could have a little music, Robert. That would be great. Take a deep breath, slowly exhale. And find yourself with a sense of going deeper and deeper into the very heart of your being. That place where you're safe, that place where you're calm, that place where you have love, that place where you have understanding. You're an incredible soul and an incredible human being. You're a student of life, not a graduate of life. Moving forward along the evolutionary path, always learning, sometimes failing, sometimes learning again, but always moving forward to a greater expression of yourself. In the silence, we reflect on that, and we accept ourselves unconditional love in the silence. As we come out of meditation, we do so with a sense of feeling uplifted, a sense of joy in regards to who we are and the life that we're living, with great hopes for the future of ourselves, of this community, and all of life in this world. And so it is, amen.